Alright you guys, so it is super late at night, like 12:30. I just got off work a little bit ago, and after getting home, I decided that I have the sudden urge to take the Subaru out back and go for a drive. Get some late night driving footage for another car vlog. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the footage. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we acquired some tea. Now, back to doing pulls. Oh damn, I got some bikes. The bikes is gonna be louder. Yeah, the bikes is gonna be louder. Shout out to Echo, he's gonna tell me the bikes are louder. Tree, the bikes are louder than your Subi. No shit, Echo. Alright. You gotta be smart though, you know, no cops. And don't hit that person that's just roguely fucking crossing the street. Rogue ass motherfuckers. Three, two, one, pull. Tossed my phone around my lap just now. Shout out to his phone. Oh, the police is not gonna on. That ain't a cop either. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this quick little late night run to get tea with Tree Man in the Subi. If you want to see more of these kind of car vlogs, then be sure to leave a comment down below. Sadly, I'm not going to show you the whole rest of this drive, so you can't follow me home. I don't know what just happened. Hopefully I didn't pop something. I think I just hit something on the road.